Hello and welcome to this video where we're now going to take a look at using the subtools options inside Zbrush. So far we've been using just this one single model. However, we may come to a point where we want to add more models to our scene. So as you can see, we have this character, so I may want to add some eyes into this character. Okay, so I may import a new model, or I could use one of the primitives. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of the primitives in this particular case, as we're only going to be adding an eye. So in order to do that, what we need to do is we need to go into this section that says subtools, and we need to go ahead and choose append. And from here we can go ahead and we can add our sphere in here. Now when we do that, we need to go ahead and select the sphere, and this makes it the active tool. From here we can go ahead and we can choose scale. So let's go ahead and scale this down. So let's go to scale. And let's scale this all the way down. So all I'm doing is just using the scale tools, and we can just scale this. So as small as we want. Let's see. So I'm just going to keep resizing this. So this, there we go. And we can go ahead and I'm going to choose move, and we can go move this. Let's go to the left view here. Let's do something like this. Let's just go ahead and move this, what appears to be in place. So we move that in there, and we have our eye. So once we have that in here, we can go ahead and select the head, and we can continue to sculpt on the head. Or we can go to the eye and continue to sculpt on there if we want. We can, if we like, choose the, so for instance, we have the head and the eye both visible, but if we check the little eye icon next to it, then we're going to unhide and hide the visibility. We can select any one of these, and we can go ahead and we can duplicate them. So we could go ahead and duplicate one of these eyes, and then if we were to, we can go and choose the move tool, and we could go move this to the opposite side if we want to, like this. There we go. And we can go ahead and choose our character and continue to sculpt. So that's basically the ins and outs of using the subtools. If we look underneath here, you can see we have a bunch of other options that we can do. So we can copy things, we can delete them. And also, if say we wanted to remove this eye, we'd select it, and we could go all the way down here and press the delete button. So that's the basics of the subtools. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about materials.